We just got to the new city. Wasn't that far, it's just like 50 minutes from Iguape. I think we're gonna find a place here. Sleep here. Comido, carne, meat. Perfect. 9 reais. The only thing here is, I hope I don't regret this tomorrow, if you understand what I mean. Could be, could also be very nice meat. If you talk about chilling, check out this cat here. This is a banana farm. They're quite heavy to lift. Why? It is very efficient here. So one guy is coming with the bananas from the field. They're bringing it to this rotation thing. One is checking for the hardness banana. One is washing them. And one is cutting them off. They're going on the trucks here, and then they're going out to consumers. Up here, I have the banana farm. We got permission to go up, take pictures, and drive around. See, there's one here without the bag, and one it's out of the bag. I think they're checking it. Obrigado. Ciao. Hello. Wow, nice guys there. Thank you guys for that experience. I also got bananas. We are on the way to Curitiba. I heard much about the city. It should be a very beautiful city. We have around 2 hours and 50 minutes to get there. At least that's what the GPS says. We might go on different detours along the way, as we usually do. We're going off-road here again. Should be a waterfall around. Gonna see if we can locate it. Can't make this up. I took the side road here and was going to this waterfall just to have a look, take a picture. Let's have a look at the first waterfall. I'm not kidding you, this is amazing. This is just one of 5 waterfalls that are in this big park here. We are on our way to another waterfall. It's 2 kilometers away. Hey, all the way up here in the park, we meet Fabiana. She's biking all the way from Argentina. She's biking from Argentina. That is crazy. That was a long, warm 2 kilometers walk here in the heat, coming to this waterfall here. Very beautiful. Maybe we're gonna go under the water here. Refreshing. That was definitely the price for walking all the way up here. You can see over there the fire it's actually very close. It's up the hill and it's further down there as well. It's very long, as they say. Good morning. Slept in the car once again. Perfect. I'm in this park. right at the waterfalls. This is what you wake up to. We are on a new trail here. We brought the monster and we have the guide. We're going to this. It says 3.52 kilometers. Difficulty level, medium. Well, let's see about that. This is beautiful again. Lindo. Muito lindo. Ah, it smells good. Check out this cave. You can enter here and go down. You can go many different ways in there. You can get lost, but it goes all the way onto the other side of this mountain here. That is marmor. Just been at this waterfall here. We're gonna go to this one here. This is the next one. Lunchtime. And this is our view. This is a seismic measurement station here. When the big earthquake in Chile happened, they could measure it here. Let's try this one here. Just a small blueberry here. Nom, nom, nom. Very tasty. Another thing that I've seen twice now in these parks is that you have fresh water here. So you can fill up your canister with fresh water. It's ice cold. Nice. Let's see if we can sit here and work a little bit. Opa! Doing some work. This is like done. Just arrived at the Caverna do Diabo. We're gonna go there and...
Cave is devil or devil caves?
Devil's Cave. We just arrived at the entrance at the cave here. Wow, magical here. It reminds me of the old ride in Chile in Copenhagen. This cave is 9 kilometers long and over 30 meters deep. So we're not gonna go the whole way because you can't, but it's closed off. But we're gonna go far. Can we light up here? This is almost like going into the caves of Mordor. 1 centimeters. These to grow takes about 10 years. That's work in the progress. I'm not completely sure if you get the sheer scale of this cave. And we're just at the entrance at the moment. Look at this. Looks like a Coca-Cola bottle. The original bottle. One water drip at the time. Now this is patient. A new one is born. Over here you have the devil's face. This is what it got its name from. You have the God's hand. This is 600 meters from the opening. And remember, this cave is 9 kilometers long. So now you're really immersed into everything here. I have a waterfall about 20 minutes hiking up here. Okay, at the moment, not much of a show of a waterfall here. Our clothes is hanging and drying here. I hope it doesn't take too long. You might ask why. Hey, have a look. You can see here, just about balls height. Yes, under this one here. I have to duck. Oh, oi, 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 oi. Hi. Oi, that's. Oh, nice. Wow. Oh, it's pretty cold for the balls. If you're not awake, now you are awake. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, hello. And this is just agua.
Yes.
Wow.
1 centímetro for year.
Wow, first experience in a cave, walking in water like this. What a cool experience. Oh, we're gonna do this? God damn those. Okay. I'm not even sure how we're gonna get out of this one here. Holy fuck. But look at this.
Yeah.
Ah, no. You? Oh, can I go in? Photo. Yo, we made it here. Look at this amazing waterfall. Oh fuck, it's crazy. Very crazy here. There's a lot of power in that water. It's strong. Okay, that's slide.
1, 2, 3.
Woohoo! It's completely dark. Okay.
Yes.
Normally spider?
Spider. Mountain.
Mountain.
Spider mountain.
Here, water up to here. And you walked and walked and climbed. It was just like rock climbing kind of thing. Slippery. The water was first cold, but it was really nice and comfortable. Good trip here. I mean, we are still at this park. Me and Blanca Beast. She's just waiting patiently here for me. Those two walks into the cave. Beautiful. We are still on the way to Curitiba. I don't know when we will get there. Just ordered Churrasco. Churrasco meat. The bread has some cheese in it. It's pretty damn good. Not bad.